How to insert text watermark in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Insert and then search for text. In text, you'll find text box. Enable text box in your Excel sheet, then write what you want for your watermark. After that, simply select the text and then increase the size if you want. You can also change font size as well as font style. Then go to shape format on top. In shape format, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to shape outline and simply click on the color you want. You can also click shape effect as well as shape fill. After that, you can simply choose the color you want in text fill. You can also add format text. Then simply click on arrow which is facing downwards. You'll find format shape pop up. Click on the text and make transparency to 70 to 80 or 86. As you can see, it looks like watermark. And simply drag the watermark in the place you want. This is how to insert text watermark in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.